scene start up here?
We'll see. How can Tim get into this scene?
Is this
You're like
a school
co-teachers.
scene?
Okay, you're like co-teachers, yeah.
So what do I do to set this up for me?
You're a receptionist, and I'm coming into the fart school, fart karate school.
I need a chair.
I have to fill out a form.
Or give me a form.
You'd be like, welcome to Powered Reflection.
Oh, and give me the form.
And okay, ready, go. You ready, Mark? Go.
Here, why don't you just sit down here and fill that out for me, sure. Now, if you have any questions, you feel free to just call me. All right now? All right, right? How was I? Good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they must still be filming.
That's good. Ready.
All right, go. Not on your brother. Practice the party scene. What scene is next? You must be rewinding. How did I do with this take, Mark? More natural?
He's shooting.
Oh.
Yeah.
You should introduce Andy to the teacher. Take him in. You know, get in the closet and come out like you're in another room and introduce him.
Okay. Go. Okay. You know, I forgot.
I like saying the name.
Ready?
Something needs to be right out of the box. That's the law.
Awful.
Are you using a pink straw? I think you should use the pink straw with that.
You need something in your hair.
Enough?
Yeah.
We'll have a little baby.
Where's some of the butt face women, Andy? Andy, where's some of the butt face women? Look at Andy.
There, I like it now.
Not me.
Just a little bump. Watch. Sandy Duncan on weekend. I mean, Sandy Duncan,